Hi, my name is Sophie, and today we are going to be making delicious homemade bagels. They're easy and fun to make. Let's get started. Oh, darn it, I forgot the recipe part. Cut. Hi, my name is Sophie, and today we are going to be making delicious homemade donuts.
Bagels. Bagels.
Hi, my name is Sophie, and today we're going to be making delicious homemade bagels. They're fun and easy to make, so let's get started. Here are the things you'll need. So, first we're going to start by adding our two packets of dry active yeast to our mixer that has a dough on it. And then we're going to add our 2 cups of warm water to that. And your 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is sugar, right? This is the sugar. Then you're gonna stir that for a bit. Now we're gonna let it set for 5 minutes. I've added my 2 teaspoons of salt to my 4 cups of flour, and now we're gradually gonna add that in to our mixture while it's mixing on low. So now we're going to take our dough out of the mixer and we're going to put it on the floured surface, and you're going to want to flour your hands so that the dough doesn't stick to you as much. So we're going to now knead the dough. So how we're going to knead it is we're going to fold it over and push it, fold it over, push it. Then you're gonna just add some more flour to it if it's sort of sticky. Then reflour your surface, and we're just gonna keep kneading it until it becomes non-sticky, and keep adding flour. Knead this for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to pour our oil into a large bowl. Then you're going to spread it just around your bowl. And then we're going to add our dough into it. We're going to put the lid onto our bowl, or you can also use saran wrap, and we're going to put it in a warm place for about an hour. So our dough has risen for 1 hour, and by now it should look like this, or doubled its size. You're gonna grease your pan with non-stick canola oil, and then you're going to put your dough onto the thing. Here comes the fun part. You're gonna punch it down. Okay, now we're going to roll it into a log, sort of. Okay, so you're going to cut your log in half. We cut the log in half, and now we're going to cut the half of the log in half. And what we're trying to aim for is 12 equal pieces. We're going to take each of these quarters and cut them into thirds. we're going to roll them into little balls. And if you see that one has less than the other, just take some of the one that's larger and add it. Okay, so we've cut our dough into 12 equal pieces, and now we're going to roll them into logs. Okay, so now we're going to take our balls and roll them into logs and shape them into a bagel. This is fun. So how to make it is you just roll it into a log on your countertop, and then you're gonna connect the two ends together. And then you can like make the hole bigger by pinching it out. And how to give your bagel a little personality, you roll it out, you twist it, and then you connect the two ends, and it comes out really pretty. So now we're going to put a towel on top of these and let them set for 25 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And so now we're going to take our pan and our cornmeal, and we're just gonna sprinkle some cornmeal on them. We put the cornmeal on because it'll make sure that the bagels won't stick. Okay, so we're going to add our water to our burner, and this water is filled to the top. And in that water, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You want to turn your boiler on high. Okay, so our bagels have set for 25 minutes, and in some of them, their holes are going to get a bit smaller, so you can just widen those out, and their ends are going to come on stick, so you just push those back together. And so we have our sugar water is boiling, and we're going to just see like the ends come apart. We're just going to put our bagels in there, about 3 at a time. They want to cook to 30 to 35 seconds on each side, and then you flip them over. And then you do the same on the other side. Oh, flip over. Flip. So we're going to take them out now. And we're going to flip them onto our cornmeal mixture. Gotta let them drain for a bit. And so once these have cooled off for a bit, we're going to transfer them to another sheet. And we're putting honey on it, but you can add things to your bagels like salt, sesame seeds, cinnamon sugar. But we are adding honey because it gives it a nice crunch when it goes into the oven. So you just put a little on around the whole thing. Then you use a spatula to just spread it out. And then just keep you just keep repeating this process. Okay, so we're gonna put our bagels that have been boiled into the oven. So you're gonna let these cook for 5 minutes, and then what we're gonna do after they cook for 5 minutes, we're gonna take them out, flip them over, and then cook them for another 35 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna take our bagels out. We're gonna take a spatula. I'm just gonna flip them over. Okay, and then we're gonna put them back in the oven, and we're gonna bake them for another 30 minutes. Our bagels are done. We're gonna take them out, and they are golden brown on top. So they look really good. And now you gotta let them cool. Okay, so we finished our bagels, and these are what they look like. Let me tell you. They're good. Bye, guys.